Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade your notebook computer by using a Sandisk solid-state drive in 3 easy steps. Sandisk solid-state drives, or SSDs, can be installed in any notebook computer with an existing SATA hard disk drive. It's a great way to add performance to your PC, so let's do it. First, we need to migrate all of our data from our existing hard drive to our new Sandisk SSD using migration software. There are many options for migration software. We're using software in a SATA to USB cable provided by Apricorn. Just connect your new SSD like this, and you're ready to go. Next, power on your notebook and run the migration software to copy your data from your existing hard drive to your new Sandisk SSD. Once the migration is complete, power down your computer and disconnect the SSD. So far, so good. Now we're going to swap out our existing hard drive with our new Sandisk SSD. To replace the drive, simply remove the battery and power cable, open the drive access panel, and remove the current drive from the computer. Now we connect our new Sandisk SSD, making sure we line up the SATA connector pins carefully. That looks good. Now we replace the panel, battery, and power cable, and we're done. See, that was easy. Connect the SSD, migrate the data, and replace the existing drive. 3 easy steps and you're ready to power up and enjoy your new Sandisk SSD. I'm Leah for Sandisk. See you next time.